spirit and they're ready to do anything just to make them look good in the face of people or to discredit what we stand for. But another thing I want to call our attention to was they said it was 5,000 people that were leaving our movement to their party. I'm sure you were all there yesterday and you saw what was there. So they managed to, I don't know what happened, maybe the person they contracted it to didn't get people to bring to that venue, but we counted the number of people that they put our shirt on. And if you count it one after the other, they are not up to 50. And you see that they are long tent. What you have there are members of their party that came and everybody was looking lost. So for me, what worries me is that those that you should respect politically, like the deputy governor of the state, whom we thought he was a better politician than the governor, sat there and, receiving 20 people from nowhere, and they sold that to them in the name of defecting. I saw in him very, very disappointing face in him yesterday, because I think somebody must have sold that to him to say it's coming. And I think that speaks volume of a desperate hegemony that wants to continue to reign. And it speaks volume to the fact that there is something that we're doing right and is affecting them, so they need to do anything to make them look good in the face of the public. But that is not where I'm going. Unfortunately, we had several claims, in that meeting yesterday. And if you understand this game very, very well, if you speak about people defecting from one party to the other, you will be speaking about people with surnames, if you understand what that means. That is why I will be introducing to you so that you know that nothing has happened to our camp. Each local government and those that are representing or leading movements in that local government that were in PDP together today. Yesterday, if somebody is decamping, especially from our group, it should be a known name, and they should say, oh, this person has this pedigree politically. And for that person to have left Jandor movement or Jandor team or whatever, even the PDP, that should speak doom, to our movement. But again, it is not the case. So I don't know where